Trattoria's restaurant. Try the best food in a great restaurant. What do you like to eat? Do you want to the most delicious food in the world? Go to Trattoria restaurant. It's located in Venice, Italy. If you go there, don't eat too much the previous day because you are going to want everything you can see. This article we are going to show you the most recognized dishes of Trattorias. If you are hungry and don't want to wait for the main dish, you can order the most delicious shrimp in garlic chili sauce. However, if you don't like shrimp, you can order scallops instead. They are delicious and you can mix them with our special sauce. The sauce is made with tomato, basil and red pepper. You love it. Main dish. There are two dishes that the restaurant is famous for. The first one is the lamb chops dish. It's made with some fried vegetables and an incredible sauce from our chef. The second dish that we recommend is the shrimp and pasta formaggio. It's made with some hard spaghetti and shrimp from the Mediterranean Sea. Side dish. There are two side dishes that are very recognized in this restaurant. The first one is the Caesar salad. A lot of people like it because it's very healthy and you can mix it with the different main dishes we here. The second dish is the buttered parmesan bread. If you are going to eat our delicious pasta, you have to order it. It's awesome. You can eat it with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Dessert. If you want to savor something pleasing to the palate, try our recommended dessert, the maple mocha brownie cake. You won't be disappointed. It's a really indescribable flavor. We will be waiting for you.